Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a large open window in Heartopia. So we are going to make the full room. We're just going to make it 4 by 2. And then I think I'm going to change the color of the flooring. You can color it to whatever color you like, of course. I'm just going to leave this, but you can obviously color the bottom part later. Actually, I need to color it now, but I'm going to not do that. Anyways, place some walls here. So we're going to add 2. And then we are going to add 2 on this side. And 2 on this side. And here I'm just coloring the walls. I might change that later, but this will have to do for now. We're going to then take the low wall and we're going to place it here. I'm just going to color it the same color first as the rest. Then we're just going to expand it till the end here, and we're going to remove the middle part like so. And then what we're going to want to do next is we are going to add another half wall. Okay, maybe let me take this out. Sorry, the wall. And then we're going to place it on each side like so. Don't forget to rotate it, and we're going to remove these parts like so. Then we are going to get the I don't know what it's called, the wooden wall storage, and I'm just going to place 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. And we are also going to take this window, and you can also change the color of it to match it with the wall color to be like this. Then you're going to want to take the oceanic cabinet, and this is how you're going to lay it out. Let me change the color first so it matches more with the colors here. We're going to put 1 here, and then we're going to put 1 over here as well. And then 1 here and 1 here. Then we're going to need the penguin sofas, like these ones, the cozy sofa, sorry. And then I'm also going to color them. Place 1 here, and then I'm going to place the corner sofas here as well. I'm just going to then add a rug, and I'm going to decorate this room even more. So I'll be right back with the finished results with you guys in a minute. And this is the final results. Obviously you can decorate it to however you'd like. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!